Hello beauties and welcome. This is Wangly with Two Chic Chicks here to bring you today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video on a review. Well, I had a brand to reach out to me, Mented Cosmetics, and they asked me to try their semi-matte lipsticks. So guess what? That's what this video is going to be about. We're going to try 9 lipsticks. Oh my gosh, and it's their nude collections. I live for a nude. So if you want to know what these lipsticks look like, stick around. We're about to find out. Now, when I got ready to do this video, I made sure when they reached out to me not to watch any influencers' videos because I didn't want to be influenced by someone else's opinions. So this is me being raw and coming to you with what I honestly think about the lipsticks. Well, we got 9, so let's go ahead and get through this. I have in front of me the 9 lipsticks, and I have my makeup removers so I can be able to wipe my lips off in between. Well, hence why I am sitting here with no lipstick on. So you know what? I'm gonna come just a tinge closer to you so we can do this. How about that? Well, Mented Cosmetics reached out to me, which I thought that was nice. So thank you to Mented Cosmetics for reaching out to me. And today we're going to be trying their semi-matte lipsticks. And not just being semi-matte, but guess what? These lipsticks are all nude. They are formulated for women of color. Nude lipsticks for us. So let's just get started. Now the first one I'm going to start with, which is going to be called Pretty in Pink. It's called Pretty in Pink. And this is what the outside packaging looks like, the bullet. Now it says it's a semi-matte. Now I didn't get into the game of wearing matte lipstick because of it being so drying to your lips. So let's just see. It's very smooth. To be a semi-matte, oh my gosh, it came on so smoothly. It is too smooth. I hope you guys can see what I see. This is so gorgeous. Wow. And what we have on is Pretty in Pink. I think that is gorgeous. Now, my first thoughts. It's real creamy. So I don't know how the longevity is going to be of the lipstick. It's really creamy. It's not, it don't feel drying at all. And I think it's a pretty color. I love pinks. I love them a lot. So this would be a great, this is one I know I would definitely wear. It is gorgeous. What you think? Let's see which the second one gonna be. Well, let's just go ahead and do Peach, please. Since I'm in the South, you know, I'm a Georgia peach. And this is the color here. That is gorgeous. I can't get over how creamy they are though. They are really creamy. I like the color. It doesn't come off strong at all. It is very neutral for me. Well, I don't know how well you see that on me. That is really lip-like for my lips. I like it though. Very subtle, very subtle. Peach, please. You see the shine that you get on these lipsticks? It's a nice little shine that I wouldn't expect from a semi-matte. I really wouldn't expect it. I don't even expect semi-mattes to be this creamy though. But they are really creamy and I am liking that. I really do. Okay, let's go to our next one. And the next one I'm gonna do is brand new. So This is brand new. And it is looking like a little brownie. It looks like it'll be brownie. So we're gonna see. I probably would have to do a lip liner with this one just to make sure you see it. But ooh. Oh my gosh, I really like it. Looking at it through the camera, I hope it comes off like I'm seeing it because it looks nice. Now, it is close to my lip tone, but that's fine. That's what nude's supposed to be. But I am liking it. Look, so this is it. Now, everyone is going to get a different color for them when they try these on. It's all in how the color tone of your lips. So my lips are a little darker on the inside. They just a tad lighter. But I think that is gorgeous. Now, what I am liking is easy to clean off my lips. And no stain. You see that? Try it on 3, no stain. So we're gonna go ahead and go with Brown Bear. Brown Bear. Here's Brown Bear. This one don't seem as creamy. It's creamy, but it doesn't seem as creamy as the other ones. The other ones definitely seem more creamier. But this is creamy. I have never worn anything that's in the browns, like brown. So that is cute. I do like that though. Probably wouldn't be one I would jump up for, but if I was trying to do a little change with this silver hair, honey, I think it'll be nice. So this is Brown Bear. And that is so beautiful. Okay, this one is Foxy Brown. Let's do Foxy, would we? I'm sorry. So this is Foxy Brown. Look like it might have a little orange to it. I like that. This is another color I would not have. If I was looking for lipsticks, I don't believe I would have. I'll be honest, I wouldn't have. Oh wow, it was so nice of them to send this. Give me a chance to try some other colors I wouldn't have thought to do. Well, you all, this is Foxy Brown. I like it. Now, I think I would try this over Brown Bear. Okay, so now I am gonna go to Nude Lala. Nude Lala. And that's Nude Lala right there. So this is it. I already showed you that part, but here it is next to my lips. Now, trivia. Mented name came from pigmented. Pigmented, mented. I thought that was so cute when I found that out. Okay, and we're gonna try Dope Taupe. How about that? Here we go. This is Dope Taupe. I am just amazed by the sheen that you get too off these. Now, this is Dope Taupe. Now, for me, this one is more, again, very skin-like. So it reminds me more of being a lip gloss for me. You know, a liner with lip gloss too. But, you know, me being a mature woman, definitely couldn't do the matte lipsticks. The matte lipsticks were so dry. And for most women who are mature, wearing a matte lipstick would just emphasize all the bad things you want to emphasize on your face, which is your lips. You don't want to emphasize the dryness and your lines on your lips, you know. You don't want to do that. So, ooh, whoever, that was definitely for young girls. Matte lipstick, I could tell you that. So we're gonna go on and move to, how about Mented number 5? Let's do that. Mented number 5. They are very pigmented. I like the pigmentation. Just a couple of them don't come out that pigment, and it's my lip color. It's nothing to do with the color of the lipsticks. It's definitely my lip color. But, oh, that is just gorgeous. Mented number 5, I do like. Ooh. And I'm one to, I love a neutral lip. But I am loving having different shades of this neutral lip. I only had like 2 or 3 colors that I was making work. So now I don't have to make it work. I got some colors I can put on at a moment's notice and work them. And if you have noticed anything, I've been putting on darker lipsticks. And it's not even changing when you take them out. I don't know if I need to wear them for a minute, but even on some lipsticks, you can just put them on and take them out and your lips are stained. So we will definitely be looking for that on the wear. So the next one we're doing is gonna be Dark Night. I'm down to the last one. I was enjoying this. I'm down to the last lipstick, girls. Oh my gosh. And this is Dark Night. My thoughts on Mented, which I'm quite sure you all can go from what I have said thus far, that I am enjoying that these are so smooth. They are nice and creamy. They are pigmented, and they work well with my complexion. Now, like I said before, the only reason it's about 2 that are really close to my lip color, maybe 3, really close to my lip color, and it's all because of my lip color. Outside that, I think they are very nice. I will be definitely doing a wear test on these, see how they wear, how long they last, just come back with a little feedback on them. But I will be wearing these lipsticks, definitely. Like I said, they have a website and they sell makeup and lip liners. I did go on the website so I could see other things that they do sell. They sell eyeshadows and stuff. So I would definitely be going on their website to look at some more items to see, what else they have that, that will work for me. And these lipsticks are beautiful for any women. Now, let's talk about the packaging. Let me tell you, I really like it. It's soft. It's like it is very matte. And let me see. Oh, I have one of the boxes that the lipsticks come in. This is the one that says Foxy Brown. But this is the box that the lipsticks come in. And then this is the tube for the lipstick. So this is the lipstick. This is the box. Nice packaging. I'm gonna tell you, the packaging is real nice. Really like that. So, if you didn't know, let me say, Mented is one I will definitely be looking at. So, this concludes my video for today. And I'd like to thank Mented Cosmetics for looking me up and sending me these lipsticks to try. And if this is your first time here, I would like to thank you guys for coming. And if you've been here before, and my old subbies, I would like to thank you for taking the time out to spend with me today on this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thank you, and bye-bye. I'm